So we're gonna just press Control A then Shift A to recalculate the normals. Now SX and just pull it outwards like that. So we're gonna do the same thing for every place. That might not work with this one over here. So we just have to, we might have to improvise a bit. Let's just make it equal SZ, then SX0. Let's do one thing, let's just get rid of those for now and just focus on the rest. Let's get rid of the entire part over there. Let's extrude that one from right to left. Let's get 6 vertices with Control R. Now we're just going to align it with its upper counterpart. Or we can just space them like this. Okay. Now we're just gonna move it upwards with GC. We're just basically making the wheel arch over here. Now we're just gonna frail it outside over on the right side from top view. Let's make a face over here. For now, we're just placing it over from the top view blueprint. Let's pull them down over there. We might just extrude these things over to the uh, z-axis top. Easy them. We have to get one more edge loop just so we can have a square. We just alters these over here. Alters GZ and GX. Now to bring it back to its primal position, we're just gonna use SX. Just like that. Let's make a face over there. Let's get rid of that too. Let's keep it in the middle. I'm gonna make a face. Let's just skew it upwards. I'll just press SX for now. We might have to do something about that vertice over there. But we'll come back to it later on. Let's get one more edge loop over there. Let's make a face. Let's make a pentagon, pentaface over there. Or we can just fix it. Uh, let's get one more vertice over there. And let's just have one. Yeah, that's fixed. Seems good for now, but we have a lot of work to do and a lot of polishing to do over on this fender. Shear smooth it. As you can see, it's creating some problems. Let's Control Alt and Shift N to recalculate the normals. We might have to get rid of some vertices or some edge loops. Yeah, it is really far off from the door, so we have to fix that. Let's G and this just push them. As you can see that there's a little bit of dip in there, and we have to fix that. This is all test that. Make it come outside. This one too. Just G it. Cool, cool, cool. I don't think we need that, so we're just gonna dissolve it. Let's get those two. And for that, hmm, let's dissolve it.